Hey guys, it's Jen from HomesteadHow and I create crafts. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to make these pot holders. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is go into your design space. You can create a new project, or you can go into a project that you've already created. So I already have some SVG images in here that I'm going to use. Some of them I purchased, some of them I made myself. So you can see some of these. I'm going to be doing just a few of these. This one's kind of cute. Leftovers are for quitters. Life is short like the spoon. So I thought they were kind of cute. Like I said, I purchased some of these and I made some of them. So if you're interested in any of them, just send me an email. But I'm just going to take a couple of them. This life is short one. My cooking is awesome, and then maybe this would be a good one. So then you're just going to want to go down and insert images. Move them around so you can see. I just go on, I click it so you can get the box around it. I go up here to the unlock button, and then I just type in 5 by 5. You can do whatever dimensions you want, whatever looks good. Kind of mess around with it a little bit, but that's just what I've been working with, was around the 5 by 5. So I'll switch them all. Move this one. Do a quick 5 by 5. You want to make sure you unlock it up here so you can evenly do it. Another thing you want to check too to make sure is that this whole image is attached to each other. Otherwise, if you don't have it attached, it'll just cut out the WHIP all separately, not all together. So you want to make sure your whole image is attached. You just go down at the bottom and then just push attach. So you want to make sure that you do it for each one of them, or whatever you're working on. And then once you have the size that you want and you want to change the color at all, you can do that. You just want to go up and click make it, set your Cricut machine up to cut, and when you're doing any iron on, make sure that you mirror the image. So you just want to click it and it'll automatically reverse everything and move it around if you need to, so it's not all touching. So when you want to cut it out with the scissors to get in here, it's not too difficult. So I just kind of move it a little bit, or move it up however. But make sure your image is mirrored and backwards. And then also when you're using your HTV, you want to make sure that you put the shiny side down, and then it'll come out perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out, and then I'll show you the next step, which is just weeding. I'll cut that part out. You don't need to watch me weed it. But HTV is much easier to weed than regular vinyl. So it's a little bit quicker process, but I'll show you the next step after I'm done cutting this out and weeding it. Okay, so I'm done. I weeded my project. The next step is to take the iron and press it on. This is the HTV, so it can go on any fabric. The thing with this, with your iron, if you're using the iron, you have to put it on your cotton setting, and then you want to hold it down for 15 seconds in each spot so it all adheres. Some people put like a towel over this or something. I just go directly on it. So you just want to make sure you have it directly in where you want it. Make sure your iron is hot and preheated, and then push really hard as you can, for about 15 seconds each. And then you want to go to the next spot. It's more of pushing than it is ironing. So you just want to keep pushing for 15 seconds or 20 seconds and make sure that it all adheres to it, and push really hard. Hello, sweet pea. I want to be in the video today. So it's just basically you just want to push it really hard. And then afterwards I just like to kind of go over each piece and make sure it all stuck really well. And then slowly just want to peel it off, making sure that it all sticks. Hello, sweetheart. Watch your tail. So there you go, it's all done. It's all on. I would just let it sit for a little bit. But there you go.